what we have here are 5 air conditioners, at which I believe to be an office building. We got a Lennox Value Series and 4 big old Janitrols. And I actually thought this one was a Carrier Tech 2000 at first. As you can see, it's got the same basic condenser guard design. And there's a data sheet back there, so if we can get a manufacturer date. Okay, so that's in 1996. It's a 5-ton. I don't know if these are heat pumps or straight cool units. I think they're straight cool units, but not totally sure. Or does that say HP? Yeah, I think this one's a heat pump. I believe this one is a heat pump. Oh, data sheet's all faded on this one. Oh, this one's also, yeah, this one's a heat pump. You can see right there where it says heat pump. That one's a heat pump. I think these might all be heat pumps. And there's a couple more Lennox Value Series up there. Yeah, so these are heat pumps. There's a disconnect boxes. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.